What's up, guys? So today with my daughters at the Potomic River, and we were riding our bikes on the C&O Canal, and guess what I brought along? Because you got this big body of water here, so I brought the Traxxas Spartan. Yes sir, we're getting ready to put her in. So, oh yes, this is going to be fun. Let's get to it. $4S LiPo. Gotta get me some 6S. That's what we need today, 6S.
Oh my gosh.
Callie came over to do it.
Where?
Just toss it, try to get it out there so it don't, this thing don't hit the mud. There you go. See it hit that. Darn.
Hey, well, you cleared it out.
It's caught on my,
Oh, great. Maya, move your head.
No, what if it stinks?
Huh?
Uh-oh.
It's caught on the...
I'm not going in.
Alright, get that, Callie. Alright, we got technical difficulties because if you can see, there's all this crap protecting the barrier here. So I was trying to get through it without touching it, but apparently I did. Look at that. That ain't too bad. There we go. Let's try this again. Try to make it through that that weed barrier. There we go. I think I made it. Nope. Something. What is going on?
It must be all through there.
Yeah.
Huh?
It must be like everywhere in there.
It is.
Is it?
Probably.
Can you get it?
It's all blobby.
There's no, this is a barrier the whole way.
Oh my
It's all
goodness.
blobby.
How far out does it go?
Maya, it's all blobby and marshy. Get away.
Go ahead and try to get it. That's all further in I can go.
Maya, you're not doing this right. Oh, just wait. No!
No! Here, give me your hand.
I thought I had it.
Just drag it in.
Oh my gosh. I screwed my sleeve up.
Alright. You could, oh, look at this. Look at, oh, sorry.
Looks like somebody pooped.
No wonder they going nowhere. Oh.
Ew, Daddy got it on me.
Looks like it pooped.
Okay. That was cool up here.
How quick is it? Because I'm not jumping in. And it's staring at us.
What's that in the middle?
I don't know.
Huh?
I don't know.
Oh, go to it.
Whirlpool.
We should have brought the mini boat.
it, Daddy? Oh, great. I hear it.
What?
One of you girls go up and see if you can see it. Oh, never mind. Okay.
How help?
No, Maya fell last time. I want to watch the.
Don't you fall. Here, you take this.
Why you hold my hand? Like you should like. Are you filming? Are you filming?
There. You got it?
No. No. Oh, you take this. Go. Go. No. No. I can't. No. You're fine. I'm gonna fall. I need help.
Oh my
Get all that on camera.
She did.
The RC element.